TypeError, a bytes-like object is required, not str in Python and CSV. TypeError, a bytes-like object is required, not str. Getting the above error while executing below Python code to save the HTML table data in CSV file. Don't know how to get right up? PLS help me. On above the last line.
You are using Python 2 methodology instead of Python 3. Change to. And you will get a file with the following output. In Python 3 CSV takes the input in text mode, whereas in Python 2 it took it in binary mode. Edited to add. Here is the code I ran.
I had the same issue with Python 3. My code was writing into io.bytes-io, replacing with io.string-io solved.
Just change WB to W. 2.
You are opening the CSV file in binary mode, it should be W.